Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Okay,
Nih,
how are you today?
I'm good. Thank you. How about you?
I'm fine.
I'm good too. Thank you. Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. So pray, begin. Okay, pray finish. Before we start our lesson, let me check your attendance first. Pak Indra, are you here?
Suaranya nggak kedengeran.
Are you here, Pak Indra?
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. And then Mr. Fauzi, Pak Fauzi, are you here? Okay, the next one is Hafid. Kak Hafid, are you here?
I'm here, Miss.
Okay, the next one is Kak Rizaldi, are you here?
I'm here.
Okay, the last one is Aji. Aji, are you here?
I am here, me.
Okay, thank you everyone. Before we start our lesson, please make sure your microphone is muted when you are not speaking, and please keep your Zoom chat open because we will use it for today. Okay, today we are going to learn something that you actually use every day. Are you ready?
Yes, miss. I'm ready.
Ready?
Okay, great. Let's get started. Okay, I have a presentation. It's written, what do you think about this statement? Okay, students should be allowed to use smartphones during lessons. Okay, look at this statement. What do you think about this? Do you agree or disagree? I want to hear your opinion, okay? Aji, what do you think about this statement?
Okay. Um, I agree because smartphone can help students find information quickly.
Oh, okay, good. Thank you, Aji. Now, Mr. Hafid, what do you think?
Okay, Miss. I disagree because smartphones can distract students during the lesson.
Okay, that's quite interesting. So, Aji disagrees while Hafid disagrees. And both of you have a reasons to support your opinions. This is what we are going to talk about, how to ask for opinion and give opinions and respond to different opinions in English. Okay, by the end of today's lesson, you will be able to do three things. First, ask someone of their opinion. Second, give your opinion and reason. And the last one is agree or disagree with someone's opinion politely. So let's see how we can do. Okay, before we learn the expression, let's think about this situation. Imagine your friend gives an opinion and this is different from yours. Look at these two sentences. The first one is the first one says you are wrong, and the second one says I see your point, but I have different opinion. Which one sounds more polite? Have it? Hafid, are you here?
I'm here, Miss.
Okay.
Uh, Ulang lagi, apa?
Which one sounds more polite? The A or B?
Which one?
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay, B. Why do you think the B is more polite?
because it's respect the other person opinion.
Okay, exactly. When we disagree, we don't have to say that the other person is wrong. We can express our different opinion politely. So, giving opinion is not only about what we say, but we also about how we say it. We need to respect other people's opinions, even when we disagree. Okay. The next one is asking for opinion. Now let's learn some expressions. If we want to ask someone for their opinion, we can use these expressions. First, what do you think about? For example, what do you think about online learning? Second is, what is your opinion about? For example, what is your opinion about school uniforms? And the third one is, how do you feel about? For example, how do you feel about homework? These expressions are used when we want to know what someone thinks. Okay, the next one is giving opinion. Now, how we can give our opinion? First one, we can say I think. For example, I think online learning is useful. Second one is we can also say in my opinion. For example, in my opinion, school uniforms are important. Or we can say I believe. For example, I believe students need enough time to rest. But when we give an opinion, it's even better if we give a reason. For example, I think school uniforms are useful because they make students look organized. So we don't just say what we think, but we can also explain why we think that way. Okay, let's check your understanding, guys. I'm going to give you a sentence, and you tell me whether it is asking for an opinion or giving an opinion. Question one. What do you think about homework? Papozi, are you here? Papozi, is this asking for an opinion or giving an opinion? I'm sorry, we can hear you. Okay, that's correct. The next one. Homework is useful. What about you, Pa Indra?
Okay.
What do you think about the second statement? Is
It's giving an
this
opinion.
okay? Excellent. Good job, everyone. Okay, I have a mini quiz right there. So, guys, please answer these questions correctly. First one is, which expression is used to ask for an opinion? A, I think. B, what do you think about? C, I agree with you. Or D, that's true. Which one is correct? Jawaban mana yang benar?
B.
B, that's correct. What do you think about? Okay, next ya. Oh, correct, betul. Okay, the next one is, which expression shows polite disagreement? A, you are wrong. B, that's stupid. C, I see your point, but. And the last one is D, no way. Yang mana yang betul jawabannya?
C.
C.
Oke, jawabannya yang C. Okay,
C.
the next quiz, last quiz ya. Which sentence gives an opinion? A. What do you think about social media? B. Do you agree? C. In my opinion, social media is useful. And D. What's your opinion? Apa jawabannya?
C.
C. That's correct. Okay, remember when we can disagree with someone, we have to not being rude. Okay, everyone. Okay. Okay, let's practice together. I want you to work with a partner. Students A will ask for an opinion, and the student B will give an opinion and a reason. Then switch your roles, and then you have 1 minute to think, okay? I will choose Pak Fauzi and Karisaldi, okay? I will choose Karisaldi and Pak Fauzi to play a role, okay? Are you ready? Karisaldi and Pak Fauzi?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's start from Pak Fauzi.
What do you think about school uniform?
In my opinion, school uniform are important because they make student look neat.
Okay. Okay, that's very good of you. Now let's switch. Let's start from Karisaldi.
What do you think about school uniform?
I think school uniform are useful because they make students look organized.
Okay, excellent. You both gave your opinions and supported them with reasons. Okay. The next one is opinion challenge. Okay. Now let's do the one final challenge. Look at this statement. Statementnya adalah students should be allowed to use smartphones during lessons. Okay. What do you think, guys? What about Aji? Are you agree or disagree?
Haji, are you agree,
Okay,
Haji?
Miss. Yes. I disagree, Miss.
Okay. What about Karisaldi?
I agree, miss.
Okay, I can see that we different opinions. Okay, now someone from agree side, Karisaldi, what do you think?
I agree because smartphone can help students find information quickly.
Oh, okay, good. Now we have someone from disagree side, Aji. Please tell
Okay,
us your
Miss.
opinion.
I disagree because smartphones can distract students from learning.
Okay, very good. Now I want Aji to respond to Karisaldi. Okay, but remember you have to disagree politely. Okay, Aji, please.
Okay, I see your point, but I think smartphone can distract students.
Okay, that's excellent. That's a good example of polite disagreement. Okay, we don't have to have the same opinion, but we just need to be able to communicate our opinion and respect other people. Okay, okay. Kita sampai pada bagian refleksi. Okay, before we finish, let's have a quick reflection. I want you answer these questions in the chat now in the chat, okay? Jawab secara langsung aja, okay? Question pertama,
Okay.
what expression can you use to ask for someone's opinion?
What
What do you
do
think
you
about?
think about?
What do you think about? That's good. Okay, the next question is, what expression can you use to give your opinion? Anyone? In my opinion, that's excellent. Okay, the last question is, how can you disagree politely?
Gak kedengeran, miss.
Oh, sorry, sorry. Okay. Last question. How can you disagree politely?
Ah, I see your point, but I have a different opinion.
Okay, perfect. Okay, everyone, let's summarize what we learned today. First, we learn how to ask for someone's opinion. For example, what do you think about? Second, we learn how to give our opinion. For example, I think or in my opinion. And finally, we learn how to agree or disagree politely. Remember, having a different opinion is completely okay, but we don't have to agree with everyone. What is important is that we can express our opinion clearly, give reasons, listens to others, and respect different opinions. Okay, I hope you can use this expression not only in our English class, but also in your daily life. Thank you so much for your participation today. You did a great job, everyone. Give applause dulu, boleh.
Goodbye, Miss.
Okay, see you in our next
Thank you,
lesson.
Goodbye,
Have a
Miss.
have a great day,
Miss.
everyone. Thank
Okay.
Okay,
you.
Thank you.
Miss.